Well, wouldn't you figure? I send the bear spray home, and first day back on the trail, what happens? I run into the biggest bear I've seen so far. He was right on the trail. He was bouncing around, actually, standing up, pushing on a tree. I think he's probably trying to maybe tear the bark off or something to get grubs or whatever the heck, these termites or whatever. But I tried to get the camera out. I made too much noise, kind of intentionally. This guy, he was pretty big, so you know, I let him know I was there, and he took off running immediately, which I guess is good. Just shows you, you know, not aggressive. I'm cowboy camping tonight, and hopefully I won't have any visits from any bears after my food, which could be a real problem since I don't have any way to fight them off other than yelling, or I guess the headlamp. And we all know how that went the other time I used a headlamp at night on a bear. But anyway, that was it. 5th bear I've seen out here so far, and probably the biggest. Bye.